I just can't wait to have our own space, our own shop in the future, where we have all the tools. We can have the car on a lift if we need to for whatever we're doing to the car. Can't wait to have a shop. We keep saying this, but that's our goal.
This is why we need a shop, because we are in a parkade again.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while. We've been away for I think a couple months now, on and off. We apologize, but we're back for good, and we have some really exciting news. As the title suggests and the thumbnail, we have a really special new season coming up for us.
I feel like if you're an OG, you know. If you know, you know. So almost every video that we filmed before, we've always mentioned we need a shop space or we need a garage space. Because living in Vancouver, rains a lot, we weren't able to film outside, and living in the condo, obviously we didn't have the ability to film inside. So, what happened?
Should we show them?
This weekend,
Okay. Boom! Look at this. This is our new house slash shop, I guess. Slash garage. We're super pumped. Oh, and also meet Calvin. This is our new daily. We picked him up last week.
Because we moved a little bit further away, and I was driving the car daily, racking way too much mileage. So she's parked now in the garage.
Yeah, and this is our new daily. It's missing some trim pieces. It's got some scrapes.
Wait, why is this open?
Oh wait, why is the gas cap open? But this is our new daily. Prized possession is right here. Kind of a lot of stuff, but we're just unpacking. With the STIs here, this is where we'll be making all the videos. Yeah.
Still got a lot of work to do. Like, this grass is literally as tall as me right now.
Yeah.
But we're pumped because we've been really praying for this, like, for a space that we can work on our car and get back to doing what we love, is making video for you guys.
Now some of you might be like, dude, that's just a garage. We all have a garage. Listen, when you live in the city, there's no such thing as a garage other than a parkade. So when we have a garage
and a driveway that is flat.
Yes. And the description for this place actually said a shop, because it's a double garage, and then there's like an RV garage over there that's taller, but we'll just be using this side.
One thing, it also has compressors, right?
Yeah, it's fitted with compressor lines. So, boom.
Shop.
Legit. Maybe one day we can put 2-post lifts in there.
Listen, it's already in cart. You just gotta check out.
I'm super stoked. So, as you can see behind us, it's a big property. It's not entirely ours. It's a long story, but it's a good story. Either way, this is our new house. When we're done unpacking, maybe we'll do a house tour, right?
Yeah.
I thought we'd just give you guys an update. Now that we have the space, we can finally get back on mods, because trust me, we have parts built up.
Yeah, we do. We still have parts that we didn't open up because we couldn't install it, and I was going through surgery, so also that. But our exhaust should be here within the next week or two. It's in Toronto right now.
Yeah, okay. The exhaust is on the way. I know we've been saying that for like 8 months. We've been waiting 8 months, but it's actually on the way.
It's like 2 weeks away. It's in Ontario right now, so it should be getting shipped out. Probably arrive, I don't know, within a week or so, hopefully. Yeah.
And then we can do the install right there.
I know. I'm super pumped.
I'm so pumped.
So it's gonna be super exciting.
We're grateful, to be honest, because it's where we live. It's not the cheapest to have a house.
No, it's not. But having a property this size with everything we need and like a big driveway, a lot of stuff coming soon. Now we gotta do some errands, because when you move in, where does everyone go? IKEA.
Yes.
I quick stop to IKEA, and then we also gotta go back to our old place to give the key and get the chicken out of the fridge.
Can't forget the chicken.
Can't forget the chicken, that organic chicken.
So we'll do a quick house
We
tour.
will show you guys our old place because I don't think we've ever filmed there, nor
No.
showed you guys where it was.
Yeah.
All right, so we are at our old apartment. Quick house tour, not house tour.
Ex-house tour.
Ex-house tour for you guys. So this was our living room space. One thing we loved about it is the view.
Yeah. Mountains are right there.
Yeah, which is really nice. And
We have
for
a big balcony.
yeah, it's actually pretty big, which usually in condos they have like tiny balconies like those condos across from us. So not like we used it, we just had a barbecue out there anyways. And then that was our kitchen. And then we had a closet here. This was the bedroom. Our bedroom now is so much bigger. It's actually crazy being here.
Our bedroom now is the same size as, I think, the living room and almost the kitchen combined.
And the ceiling, like these ceilings are already really high, but our ceilings now are just like insanely high. So this is like, I mean, it's still really nice. I still really like this place. And then here we just had, I don't know, laundry room, and then we had the bathroom.
This place feels a lot smaller. Now that we moved to the new place, this place feels tiny.
Yeah, it feels really small. Yeah. But I loved it here. It was great memories.
It was super cozy.
Super cozy.
Nice and clean.
We had super nice place. Like this location is at Shipyards in North Vancouver. If you know where that is, it's beautiful.
It's poppin'.
Yeah, it's like the downtown version, I guess, of North Vancouver. But it's nice because we will walk outside and the ocean's literally right in front of our house.
Yeah.
So it was nice. But we didn't have a dog, so we didn't really get to enjoy it. I'm just saying.
Wait, what? What did you say about a dog?
I'm just saying we should get a dog because now we live in a house. We can let him outside. We already came up with a name. Just gotta make it happen. Comment down below if you want a dog for the channel.
I guess you guys are deciding the fate. Dog or no dog? I mean, we both love dogs, so we would
Dogs
have no
for
problem
sure, and
getting
it
it.
has to be a cool name,
Yeah.
like a car name or something. I don't know.
But that's a tour of our old home. And now onto our new home where, honestly, we just love the fact that we get to work on our cars anytime we want.
Yeah, that's the biggest blessing for sure.
Quick update for you guys. We're happy to be back.
Yes.
And we'll be back consistent again.
Yeah. Yes.
But until then, I think we'll wrap up here.
Yeah, it's just to kind of give you guys an update. What's going on? Where have we been? And what's exciting to come?
Yeah. We'll see you on the next video. Check it out on Instagram right there.
On TikTok.
Oh. And we'll see you on the next one.